Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do this makeup look. Very summery, very pastel, very matte. And do watch the video till the end. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So I have already done my base, my eyebrows, concealer, blush, highlighter, every single thing. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and prime my eyes because I'm gonna use nice pastel colors, and for that I need to have a very blank canvas on my eyes. So for that I'm gonna use the Anastasia primer. I'm gonna just put it a little bit, actually I'm directly gonna put it on my eye. Eee, too much came out. I'm going to try and set this with white powder. Okay, for that I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution palette. Okay, and I'm just going to take the basic shade that is there from there, which is the white shade. Okay, for the eyeshadow I'm going to use my favorite palette, which is the Colourpop palette, and as you know it has really beautiful colors. So let's begin. I'm going to take a flat shader brush. Okay, and this is from elf. Okay, it's an eyeshadow brush. Now the first color that I'm going to pick up is this green mint color. Okay, let me start with the inner corner and I will just dab the color. Pat it and drag it a little. Pat it and drag it a little. Okay, let's do the same thing here. So once this is done, I am just going to clean the same brush and use the other color. Now the other color that I'm going to use is this pink color, which is a very light blush kind of a pink. I'm using the same brush, I just cleaned it, and I'm now again dab and then drag. Try not to go above the crease. Now for the pink, because we took 1/4 of the eyes with the green, you try and take the pink right till the end, and I'll tell you the reason why when you use the third color. So now we've used the pink. Now the third color that I'm going to use is going to be a peachy orange, which is going to be this color. You know I love colors. I'm using the same brush, I just cleaned it, and I'm going to use it in the outer corner. Now the reason why I asked you to drag the pink color till the end is because when you put the orange on it, it gives a little brighter effect on it. So now just try and blend it with the same brush, but keep your hands very, very light. This is how it looks. Now the thing that we're going to do is we're going to try and blend all these colors with a smaller blending brush. Okay, but your hands have to be really, really very light. We'll try and dab the green color, okay, with the blending brush and just blend the edges. Don't worry if you've removed some color, we can go back and just dab it. Try and move your brush in circular motions. Same thing, I'm just going to clean the brush and use the same pink. Now again pink, I'm going to dab it till the end. I'm sorry, blend it till the end. I think I just wanted to dab a little pink here, so I'm just going to dab it again. This is how it looks. Okay, and I'm just going to add a little bit of highlighter in the inner corner. Now, after that, I'm going to just apply eyeliner, and I'm going to apply a very thin liner, not too thick, okay? And I'm going to do this off camera because you've seen me a lot of time apply it. So let's do this off camera. So eyeliner done. Okay, and I'm just going to go and apply kajal, but you can by all means just leave your eyes like this and it should look really very good. But I'm just still going to apply kajal. So yeah, I applied the kajal and now I feel the look is complete. So let's move on to the lips. I forgot to apply mascara. Really? I don't know why. So I'm going to use the MAC mascara. So mascara done. Now I'm going to go and apply lipsticks. I'm going to apply a matte and I'm going to top it up with a gloss. So this is Maybelline's. And I'm going to apply this beautiful gloss by Kiko. Lastly, I'm just going to go and spray with the setting spray from NYX. Just let everything melt. So this is the final look. After this beautiful makeup, do you really want to be in these clothes? So let's go ahead and change. Why not just change in style?